We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, one against the other. How do they differ? We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting English words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. Those two words, despite their different spellings, are actually homophones. They are to be pronounced the same way. How do you go about saying them? Still, still, just a long E sound. Still, pretty straightforward once you know. Steal, as in stealing, like a robber does. Steal and steal, the metal. Same word, different spellings. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.